Good afternoon, guys. We are in Malta, and our first full day here is a Saturday afternoon, and we decided to come to the Popeye Village, the famous Popeye Village from the movie made in the released in the 1980s with Robin Williams, which I did see as a kid at some point. Okay, so we're gonna buy the tickets to get in. I think it's €15 per person. Let's check it out. So with the entrance price, you also get a free popcorn, a postcard, and free Wi-Fi. And you can see from this map here, there's like 26 different points of interest here, or maybe more, like 38. Let's go in and get our free postcard.
Take 2 postcards, okay? Any of them.
Hello.
Hi. With these two, you have the popcorn.
Here we have our restaurant area here, where you can enjoy some food or some snacks, and look at this beautiful ocean here. Malta has been on my list for a long time. I wish we could have went in the summer so we can enjoy the beautiful beaches here, but we're still going to tour everything as normal, and definitely will make our way back at some point for sure. Pretty cool. It's not that big. You can probably get through the whole thing if you're just taking your time cruising and stopping in each room within 30-40 minutes. They do have some shows if you want to attend the shows, or some games and activities at certain times as well. But this is definitely cool because I remember watching this movie as a kid later. I wasn't born until '83. This movie came out in 1980, but I've seen it at some point in my life as a kid, probably I was like 7 or 8 years old. And enjoying the movie because I used to watch some of the older cartoons of Popeye as well. So it's definitely a must do when we come to Malta. And now we're going to head to the next place. Hey guys, so we just made it to Golden Bay. So this is one of the most famous beaches here on the island in Malta. And there's quite a few people out here just hanging out. It's like a restaurant, people playing football and volleyball out here. So it's a really good day. It's about 5 o'clock, so the sun is starting to set. So beautiful view. Let's check it out. So here they charge tickets to get in. How much is it? I think it's €3, $3.50. But it's not worth it. You can just kind of stand by the gate and you can just see some of the ruins here. And you can see they range from 5000 BC to 1500. So yeah, you can just come to this site and then just take photos from outside, and that'll be suffice. Hey guys, so this is our second full day here in Malta, and we're starting off in Valletta. And we're gonna go to the Baraka Gardens. There's two of them. There's an inferior and an exterior. So there's one that's like lower ground, I think, and one higher. So we're gonna start at the lower ground first, and then kind of work our way through Valletta town for today. So let's check it out. First, we have these really beautiful views overlooking the boats. I mean the water here. We have like a lot of boats, and we drove past like tons of like yachts and stuff like that as we were driving here, so you could tell like it's a lot of money here, which is kind of what we expected. It's a very beautiful city, very well kept. Architecture is amazing, a mixture of modern and historic apartments and buildings here, so it's a very beautiful city. But yeah, let's check out this garden. So here we just walked to the Grand Master Palace courtyard. It's about, I think about €12 or so to get in. And it's just, it's kind of like a museum of sorts with a lot of old artifacts and things like that from the history of Malta. You can kind of see a little bit from the Google Maps here. Some of the photos. Some stuff, a lot of artwork, furniture, even things from the war, like old cannons, things like that. So if you want to go inside, you can check that out. You can buy the tickets online on their websites, or you can buy them physically here. And this is La Valletta. It's like one of the most famous churches here in Malta, also known as St. John's. And it seems they're also putting up like a statue here as well. So this is the second of the Baraka's garden, the upper level. So it's quite a distance from the first one we went to, maybe like 20 minutes. However, it's basically the same, looks exactly the same as the other one. Same design and everything. Hey guys, now we are at the Valletta waterfront. So you can walk all along this stretch of boardwalk here, and we're right in the middle at the moment. There's lots of restaurants and places you can buy things from. You have these cool boats just lined up across, and jet skis here. So this is the one that I mentioned earlier. There's another place we drove past that had really big or medium-sized yachts. They were really nice to look at. But yeah, let's check out this strip. guys, we decided to take a boat across to the other side from Valletta, and it's €3 per person, so it'd be €9 in total. It should only take a few minutes to get across. We just made it across to Valletta from Valletta. So it only took it maybe like 10 minutes or less, and it'll let you off right in front of this beautiful church here. So we're gonna walk around this old city, and before it gets dark in the next hour, before we head back home. Hey guys, we're in Medina, the city of Medina, 20 minutes from where we live in St. James. And this is a beautiful fortress here. We're gonna start off walking around here and just walking around the area to get some good idea of what this city has to offer. It's very beautiful here, a lot of historic architecture. So yeah, we're gonna definitely check that out. And this will be the last part of the video of Malta, and we have loved it so far. I give it 5 stars, highly recommend it. Even though it's off season, it's still a very great place to come to visit. The weather's mild, around 60-65 degrees. It's beautiful, people are friendly, good food. I have nothing negative to say at all. It's a great place to stay. I definitely want to come back when it's in the summer to get a chance to enjoy the Blue Lagoon and like the beaches and things like that. But for now, let's check out Medina. We're basically just taking this route. It's like arrows pointing to the Medina experience, showing you all of the beautiful architecture and stuff in this town here. So we're gonna just see what we run into. But everything here is so beautiful, very well preserved, very well kept, very clean. It's nice. I was thinking those signs for Medina Experience were basically like giving you the experience of the city, but it actually was a restaurant called the Medina Experience. So one thing to note. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Medina is a very beautiful town, very small. It's easy to walk around, or you can do a horse carriage ride as well for 30 minutes to take you around and give you a history lesson of the city and all the buildings and churches and things like that. But we just walked around, very nice, very peaceful. And it's a little bit colder today than it has been in the last few days we've been here. But we have one more full day tomorrow, and then we leave out the next day in the afternoon to head to Barcelona. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.